Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Dropbox to store supplier images, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Dropbox to store supplier images, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, locate the Files tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Files tab to access your main Dropbox folder. Next, create a new folder for your supplier images. To do this, click on the New Folder button. Name the folder appropriately, for example, Supplier Images. After creating the folder, click to open it. Now, to authorize storage access, you need to share this folder with your suppliers. Click on the Share button located next to the folder name. In the pop-up window, enter the email addresses of your suppliers. Choose the permission level for each supplier, such as can edit or can view. Once you've added all suppliers, click on the Share folder button. Your suppliers will receive an email invitation to access the folder. Instruct them to accept the invitation to gain access. Once they've accepted, they can upload images directly to the folder. If needed, guide them on the types of images to upload. Open the folder regularly to monitor uploaded images. You can also organize images into subfolders for easier navigation. To do this, repeat the folder creation process within the main folder. Remember to establish a naming convention for images to maintain organization. Educate your suppliers on this naming convention for consistency. If any issues arise, consult Dropbox help section for troubleshooting. By following these steps, you've successfully authorized Dropbox for supplier images. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.